So we were out the Ohio Valley Mall in St. Clairsville and we rolled up on this bad boy, the Raminator. At the auto dealership.